Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mind Echo. Today, I want to share with you a story that I hope will inspire and motivate you to cultivate mindfulness and perseverance in the face of adversity. There was once a young monk who lived in a small village surrounded by mountains. He spent most of his days meditating and studying the teachings of the Buddha. One day, a severe storm hit the village, causing widespread destruction and chaos. The monk's home was destroyed, and he was left with nothing. Despite the challenges he faced, the monk remained calm and focused. He used his mindfulness practice to observe his thoughts and emotions without judgment. He realized that his suffering was not caused by the external circumstances, but by his own attachment to them. The monk decided to rebuild his home, but this time, he did it with a sense of detachment. He worked hard, but he didn't attach himself to the outcome. He focused on the present moment and let go of his expectations. As he worked, the monk noticed that his mind was becoming more peaceful and calm. He was no longer reactive to the challenges he faced, but instead, he was able to respond to them with wisdom and compassion. I hope this story has inspired you to cultivate mindfulness and perseverance in your own life. Remember, the power to overcome adversity lies within you. By cultivating mindfulness and detachment, you can find peace and happiness no matter what challenges you face. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.